If you're looking for a pool home, I have it for you here. I am in Marion County. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath gardenia model with a pool and spa. And right back over there is the turtle preserves. There's ultimate privacy here in the Villages, Florida. If you're looking to buy or sell a home, make them an offer they can't refuse. All right, so let's take a tour of this beautiful home. I'm gonna have all the information listed below, the price, tax information, everything you need to know, and my number is going to be up here at all times. Again, I'm Robyn Cavallaro, but before we get started, I wanna make sure that if you're searching for a home, you check out my website, robyncavallaro.com, and I have a book on Amazon. It was just released. It is not only a book to read about this community, it's a reference manual. There's a lot of great information in there about the community, where to find good restaurants, where to find healthcare, where are the urgent care centers, and lots more. So make sure you check that out on Amazon. All right, and I'm gonna put a link in the description box. So let's take a tour of this home and make it your next home here in the Villages, Florida. All right, here we are. Take a peek outside. So this home is on a cul de sac. Paver driveway. This is a 2-car garage. We have some nice landscaping, very well kept. Again, this is a gardenia. Bond is paid, has gutters, privacy, pool, and a spa. And let's go on in and you can take a look at that view when you walk in the front door. Welcome home. There we go. Very nice. Now it's a saltwater pool. It's just been converted from chlorine and the pumps have been replaced. And there's a brand new HVAC. All right, this is bedroom 2. This is the bedroom in the front. Now this one doesn't have a closet. Again, you know, in the Villages, we can call this a bedroom even though there isn't a closet. We just have to indicate that there is a closet, no closet is available. We have to put closet, reach in, built in, no closet. So they're using this as, that's a day bed in an office, and that's engineered hardwood. And we have ceramic tile in the bathroom. And this is that plum. That's pretty much very close, similar to the plum color that I have at Clara's Cottage. Tub shower. This is a low entry cast iron tub with tile. And you know, as we get older, we really don't want to be stepping high up into a tub. And that is like a mauve beige color tile. Okay, linen closet, split bedroom. This is the guest room, and my phone is ringing in my ears. Whoever's calling, I'll get to you un momento. Closet, but I want you to see, and I'll take you outside so you can see this, but this is that turtle preserve out there. So you can, whoop, all you see is the line. We'll take you outside. Okay. Let's move on. All right, so again, we're going to go back to the entrance. To the left are the 2 bedrooms and bath. Straight ahead, living room, dining room. To the right, we have kitchen. And again, the furniture remains. There are a few personal items that will not remain. I'll have a list of those, but it's very few items. The decor on the top will stay. We have new stainless steel appliances, white cabinets, and those are actual cabinet doors. They're not painted. And you have this pretty quartz countertop. Large sink. There you go. And that furniture, the dining furniture and this kitchen table are from Haverty's. And if you've ever been into Haverty's, people, you know they're not the cheapest on the block. And they finished off the molding on the top of the counter. Now I've seen homes where they'll take and put an island like right here if you need extra space. I mean, there's plenty of storage here, and it's nice and bright, and you have the 2 windows in the kitchen. And check out that table. Now remember, if you're looking to purchase a home and it's pre-owned, you need both MLS and VLS to make sure you're properly represented and see everything that's available here in this community. Nice dining room table, that remains. The picture on the wall does not. The owner really likes it, so she's going to take it with her, but everything else stays. And they love this home. They've spent money on it because they thought it was going to be their forever home, but their family's in Maryland. And that's a reason why people move back. They come down and their family's away and they decide to go back. So that's the situation here. I actually worked with them when they purchased this home. So you have fireplace, gas fireplace in good working condition. All right, we'll get out there in a minute. All right, let's take a look. I don't want to make you sick. I'm going to go slow-ish. All right, so, laundry room, primary. And this is high volume ceiling here. This home is wired with Bose speakers, but the seller has never hooked it up. So that would convey as is. His and her closets. And then these models, they also have a large linen closet in the bathroom. Tile floor separate. The commode and the shower are in one room, but it's separated by a pocket door. And split sinks. I know sometimes it's hard to see the color, but the cabinets are white. And the color of the wall is very pale yellow. And this is the view. All right, but we're going to go into the garage. Washer and dryer will remain. You have a lot of storage cabinets in here. You can't say you don't have storage in this home. There's a ton of it. Extra cabinet here. And also you have utility sink. And this is a standard size 2-car garage. And attic steps. And you can see this Lennox HVAC was just put in last year. $13,000. All right, now we're going to take a peek outside. So you do have an outdoor kitchen. You want to entertain and cook out here, this is a space. Spa or hot tub. And this is what I was saying, this is a turtle preserve out here. I'll go outside in a minute. I really want you to get the full effect and beauty of this pool area. And again, this was just converted from chlorine to salt, and all new pumps were put in. And they maintain this. They have a company that comes and takes care of it weekly. All right, let's go look outside. We've got a lot of space out here. Orange tree. Up. That orange didn't fall too far from the tree. Ha ha ha. I know that was stupid. I'm sorry. That was very corny. Neighbor has a pool, and look, that is the turtle preserve, so they're not building anything back there. I don't know, what do you think? Tell me. Nice, right? For $649,000, it can be yours. That price is right. All right, everyone, I'm going to end this here. If you are interested in making an offer on this home, scheduling a private tour, or if you want a video tour, you can call me. My number is up above. I'm working with my partner Katie on this. You could call her, but call one of us, and this can be yours. Okay, everyone, until next time, we'll see you.